Thursday, a high school in Santa Clarita, California, was the scene of the 366th mass shooting in America this year. Each seems to reignite the debate over gun legislation. In recent years, 17 states and the District of Columbia have adopted red flag laws, which allow the confiscation of firearms if a gun owner raises a red flag with threatening behavior. California adopted red flag in 2016, and there's been a big movement over the law recently, with 12 states adopting it in the 21 months since the high school shooting in Parkland, Florida. Colorado is one of them, but in defiance, nearly half of the state's counties have declared themselves Second Amendment sanctuaries. Colorado's red flag law takes effect New Year's Day. The story of how it works and why it's fiercely debated begins with a tragedy, New Year's Eve, 2017. Apartment 24 was a headache for Douglas County Sheriff's deputies in the suburbs of Denver. They'd met the resident Matthew Reel before. With each dispatch, deputies were reminded Reel was mentally ill, hostile, and armed.